Okay. Okay, it's in there. Perfect. It says filled. Kill switch activated for BTC. Okay. Perfect, dude. Now it works. Great job. Okay, sick. Now it all works. Now let me go ahead, or you go ahead and tell me how I would implement this into um my trading agent.py and then also the strategy agent.py because as you can see, they are both set up for Solana right now. And I want to think through a way that we can have this easily switchable to the hyperliquid trading. So right now, most things are set up for Solana. How could we switch it easily to hyperliquid and also check out all my other agents as well? Like, how can we make this switching super easy? For example, if I want to just go through and have all of my agents now trade on hyperliquid opposed to Solana, I don't think you need to code anything for this right now. But talk to me about it so we can think through a good game plan. Maybe I should do shift tab. Okay, let's go ahead and get add dot get commit slash m hyper liquid support added get push. Okay, let's make sure I'm not pushing any keys. Nice funks, add new model, check model updates, test all models, get push. Okay, so I just pushed it all to the GitHub, dude. The GitHub is 100% free. It should be in the description or somewhere on my Twitter timeline. If you go to Moondev Agents here, you could read the whole README and understand everything here. And then all the code is here in the SRC. Hyperliquid support added. Did I make a documentation too? Hyperliquid.md migration. Before Solana only. Okay, great. After Hyperliquid. Exchange Hyperliquid. Yeah, I think we're gonna need to update. I also think we're gonna need to update those Hyperliquid MDs you made, as it looks like they're using a router. Um, but I don't think we went with the router situation. Okay, duder. We're getting. We got Hyperliquid launched. Hyperliquid is launched, dude. Hyperliquid is launched. At Moondev, update track AI models training performance. Trading. Probably trading. Trading performance. There we go. The name of the repo is right there. It took me 2 seconds to find it. Why is everyone begging? I don't know. But isn't it easier to copy the wallet for those who operate with AI instead of using codes and complicated things? Um, the tricky thing with the strategy you just laid out is being at the computer 24/7 to actually copy those wallets. But in general, I think it's always better to build your own edge and control your own bots. The tricky thing with the strategy you just laid out is being at the computer 24/7. But in general, I think it's always better to build your own edge and control your own bots. Okay, let's see what she says. All 30 plus agents currently use source import nice funcs as n to call Solana specific functions, key functions across agents. N.AI entry, N.chunk kill, N.market buy, position management. The challenge. Solana uses contract addresses while Hyperliquid uses symbols. Option 1, unified trading interface. Create a new source exchange manager that acts as our router. Exchange Solana. Hyperliquid symbols. What to trade. Class exchange manager. Def market buy. Symbol token. Okay. This is the exchange manager. Then agents would use source.exchange manager, import exchange manager. Works for both exchanges. Option 2, dynamic import based on config. Modify all agents to dynamically choose the right import. So import exchange, if exchange equals Hyperliquid. Okay. To modify calls, wrapper functions and nice funcs. Add exchange detection inside nice funcs.py. Phase 1, core functions. Create exchange manager with unified interface. Update config.py with exchange settings. Phase 2, agent updates. Update critical agents first. Risk agent, trading agent. Add exchange parameter handling. Data functions. Map open, high, low, close volume data fetching. Key challenges. Token address for symbol. Challenge 2, different parameters. Solana, no account parameter needed. Hyperliquid requires account object. Solution, store account in exchange manager or use wrapper functions. Different features. Hyperliquid has leverage, funding rates. Solana has liquidity pools, token metadata. Challenge 4, position data format. Benefits of this approach. Single config change. Single config change. Switch exchanges by changing exchange to Hyperliquid. No agent rewrites. Minimal hybrid support. Can route different tokens to different exchanges. Future proof. Easy to add more exchanges. Can run parallel tests. For immediate testing without modifying all agents, add exchange to config.py. Create simple wrapper and trading agent. Test with BTC, ETH, Solana on Hyperliquid. This allows you to start using Hyperliquid immediately while gradually migrating over agents. Yes, I'd like to proceed.